Hey, what's up everybody? So I made it to a new campsite. This is Lake Sylvia State Park. I've got a site here that has access directly out onto the water, which is great. Some trout and some bass and everything else in this little lake here, so I'm gonna get out and paddle around a little bit. I did bring the boat kayak, the inflatable kayak, and we're in the Pilot with, it's a little messy right now, but I'll show you all this stuff whenever it's all set up. But this is the new bed platform, and I was kind of in a rush. I just threw everything all together, but we'll get all that organized, get some stuff set up, get this kayak inflated, and get out on the water, do a little bit of fishing, and then come back and have a pretty cool night. There is a level 3 fire ban going on, so we can't have a campfire, but that's okay. And it is actually a little bit overcast and kind of drizzly, which is odd for the summer right now, but I'll take it. It's a whole lot better than being 90 degrees. So cool, let's get this thing inflated. All right, well, I got the kayak all inflated. Thank goodness for the electric pump. And now it's raining pretty good. It's supposed to stop after this for a little bit, so I'm just going to work on getting some camp stuff set up here, getting a little tarp set up so I can be out of the rain. And once I get all that stuff set up and it stops raining for just a little bit, I will head back out over there in the boat and see if I can catch some fish out here in this lake. Well, cool. I did catch a little trout there, and quickly let him go so he was not injured. It's been kind of raining off and on like this. Just kind of beautiful scenery. Really kind of enjoying my first trip here at Lake Sylvia. I'm getting ready to head back to my campsite up the river here a little bit, and or up the lake here a little bit, and cook up some food. And I'll probably come back out a little bit right as the sun's coming down and do a little bit more fishing. Probably have a little bit more luck at that point in time. It's only like about 6 p.m. or something. We got another couple hours till sunset. All right, cool. I'm gonna get paddling up here to my campsite. Still just kind of hanging out here in the rain. Underneath our little canopy, got a sidewall, my jacket, warming that up, drying that off with the big buddy here. Just kind of got it on low or medium there. It's not very cold, but just kind of takes the dampness out of everything, and kind of trying to dry my legs off a little bit. Mostly just trying to kind of dry the jacket out a little bit. It got pretty wet when I was kayaking out there in the rain earlier. So yeah, just kind of chilling out, hanging out here listening to a book, watching the rain. Enjoy some little food. Got a nice turkey and cheese sandwich here. Gonna enjoy this and cook up some soup or something a little bit. I brought a can, some other stuff, some oatmeal for in the morning. Let's see. Maybe I'll get the stove out in a little bit and cook something warm. It's kind of rainy though, so I'm not really sure how the night's gonna go. So I got the bed all made up here in the car now. Most everything's cleaned up. Got our fridge, got our little dry bag, the bed, extra sleeping bag just in case, blanket, pillow. Probably will put those where they are. These things right here up in the windows later on. I've got one right here for the back window. This is all of our cooking stuff. Alright, I guess that's gonna be about it. This dog. Good morning. Getting some hot water going, a little oatmeal, a little hot chocolate. Kind of laying off the coffee these days. Probably grab some later today, but been doing pretty well without that coffee. Causing me some stomach issues, so trying to kind of lay off. Anyway, about to get some breakfast and get back out there and paddle on the water just a little bit while I still have my campsite for the day, and then head out, I guess. A nice morning back out on the lake, trying to catch a couple of fish. Probably a little too late for that. I did try a little bit earlier, but I didn't get out on the kayak until just a little bit ago. It's about 9:30 or 10 a.m. So probably not going to have much luck, but I'm still going to try anyway and just kind of paddle around, enjoy the weather before I have to pack up and get out of here. So this is Lake Sylvia. It's very cool. Like an hour or so from my house. I'll be coming back here frequently, I think, even if just for a day pass with my kayak and just kind of paddle around the lake. I like it. There's no no boats or no motors allowed. Sorry, only electric or paddlecraft or whatever. So I really like it. Very kid friendly. Probably bring grandkid out here or something at some point. Anyway, cool, beautiful day. All right, time to get it all packed up. Here's the underside of the boat Zeppelin. I've got the other piece already taken out there, the skeg or whatever that's called. Anyway, just got it kind of draining all of the water out the seat. And just kind of show you my camp here. I did put up the Coleman top last night. It was raining. This little side thing right here just to kind of block me off from the rest of the campers here. This is a pretty occupied campsite right now. So some basic stuff. Fishing pole. Let's see, I think this is all pretty decent shape. Got my banana to eat there. The fridge has done great. I really like this little fridge so far. Everything kind of has its place, and I'll just fold part of this bed up so that it exposes the wood underneath, so I can put my kayak in there. It just goes in this little bag right here. So, but I don't want to get my blankets wet. But anyway, time to pack it up. It's been a great trip.